Hello everyone. Today I will start the lesson 3 and lecture 6. In this topic we will discuss about 9-point circle and also on digit sum puzzle. Okay? Also on digit sum puzzle. On moving further, we have to we will we will we will study the topic 9-point circle here. So what does means by 9-point circle? 9-point circle. Here is circle. So this is circle, okay, and 9 point. Here I am not driving the 9-point circle. For this I will upload the next video, means another video. I am here, we will use this 9-point circle for solving digit sum. Okay, digit sum of the number. We will use this 9-point circle. So here, so this is circle, okay, this is circle, and these are 9 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are 9 point on this circle. Okay, these are 9 points on the circle. So we start countings of these numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, these are countings. So here we are counted 9 points. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, 5 point, fifth point, sixth point, seventh point, eighth point, 9 point, 11 point. Okay. If I ask you what is the digit sum of one, here is only one. What, only one digit is here. What will you add in this one digit? This is only digit here. There is no digit for adding. So this is the digit sum itself. Also 2 is itself digit sum. Also 3 is digit sum itself. Okay, 4 and so on up to 9. But after 9, these from 1 to 9, numbers from 1 to 9, okay, these are single digit numbers. For single digit numbers, okay, single digit numbers have digit sum. This has digit sum itself. Okay, for 1 digit sum of 9, or in the previous examples of question you say the in the casting of 9 you use 0 or 9. Okay, so these are, but after 9 there will come two digit number which is 10. After that 11, after that 12, after that 13. So after the 9 there will come two digit number. So there are two digits, two digits in these numbers. Okay, and so on. So then what will we do? So we can find the digit sum of these numbers by using 9-point circle. Okay, so here we count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what comes after 9? You know 10. 10 will come after 9. So we will write this 10 on this. Okay, on this number 10. After 10 what will come? 10. We will write here. Okay, 10, 11, okay, 12, 13, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19. This process will continuously until as you want. This will not stop. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, Okay, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Okay, so this 9-point circle increases as shown in this process. Okay, so this 9-point circle is increases uh, in the way as shown in this circle. Okay, here one. So there are 9 branch. First branch, second branch, fourth branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, sixth branch, seventh branch, eighth branch, ninth branch. Okay, there are 9 branch. Okay, so this will name one branch, two branch, third branch, fourth branch, fifth branch, sixth branch, seventh branch. Okay, it's like that. Like this, we will here. So you have to notice on the first branch. First number is 1. First digit, first one digit number is 1. Here is only one digit number is 1, and digit sum of one digit number itself. Also, digit sum of these numbers, or which are shown in the which are written in the branch of 1. Okay, here is branch of 1. All these number are written. Okay, which have digit sum 1. Okay, 1 has digit sum 1. Okay, 10 has digit sum 1. Also, 19 has digit sum 9 1. 29 has digit sum 1. Okay. Mm. And here will be one correction. First, we have to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. Here is missed 20. Okay, 20. We write here 20. Yes, 21. Okay, we are correcting this mistake. Okay, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, 29, 30. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I said this number will written as in this format. Okay, so here is these numbers. So this number has digit sum. All the numbers are coming on this branch have digit sum 1. All the number are coming on this branch have digit sum 2. All the number are coming on this branch. eh, The branch has digit sum 3. All the number are coming on this branch has digit sum 4. All the numbers are coming on this line on this branch. Then digit sum of the all the numbers will be 5. And also in this 6th branch, 7th branch, 8th branch, 9th branch. Okay, here is digit sum will be 6, here is 7, here is 9, here is 8, here is 9. Yes, so then what we will do, so we can use this 9-point circle on finding digit sum. So here you have to notice the difference between 1 and 10 on the branch first. Okay, we are noticing on the branch first. This will this will be apply on the other branch also. So you have to notice on this point. Okay, here is 1. After 1 will come 10. But after 10 will came here 19. After 19 will come here 28. Or after 7 37. hmm, 37. Okay, after 28 37 will come. Okay, and so on. Yes, so the difference between 1 and 10 is 9. Difference between 10 and 19, 9. Okay, difference between 19 and 28, 9. Difference between 28 and 37, 9. Okay, and difference with as told the other branch also, this process, this This point will be noticed in every branch in the network circle. Okay, there will be difference of 9 on each branch in every numbers. Okay, there is two difference between 2 and 11 9. Okay, difference between 11 and 29. Okay, difference between 20 and 29 9. Okay, these are all all have difference of 9. Okay, this all have a difference between 9. Okay. So here we have to solve the question. I think you have understand the uh, the 9 point circle. Here we understood only the in the aspect of aspect of code solving digit sum. Here we didn't understand derivation. We will understand derivation of this 9 point circle in another video, which will come in the future, and I will try it will come soon. Okay. Here now we are moving on the examples to understand the digit sum puzzle. Okay, here digit sum is 5. Here is digit sum is 5. And other fact is here figures are same. Digit sum is 5 and figures are same. To find two figure number, we have to find two figure number. Okay, so we have to move on the 9 point circle. Here is you notice here is digit sum is 5. So we have to move on the branch of 5 because the digit sum is 5. Okay, so here is digit sum is 5. So we have to see uh, we have to see which number is belong from this. Okay, 5 has digit sum, the 5 has digit sum itself 5, 14 has digit sum 5, 23 has digit sum 5, 5, 32 has digit sum 5. Okay, also all the numbers will come after this have digit sum 5, but this will be very long. So here you have to notice here is 14. Here is 14. 14 has digit sum 5 because this is only 5 5 branch in the 9 point circle. Okay, and if we add the digits of this number, so we get 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So this number has digit sum 5. So by using this number, we can find solution of the question. So here is point, figures are same. Figures are same. Or digit sum is 5. So here is 14 has digit sum 5. If we have the 14, if we have the 14 means divide the 14 in halves. Okay. So half of the 14 will be 7 and 7 because 7 plus 7 will be 14. Okay, 7 plus 7 will be 14. So we can write, okay, we can write this 7 and 7 and remove the means 77. We can write 77, and if we add these digits, okay, 7 and 7, if we add 7 and 7, so we get 14, and 14 has digit sum 5 as we have discussed here. 14 has digit sum 5, and here 77. Here is 77. These are here is figures are same. Okay, here is figures here is here figures are same. Okay, so here first figure is 7, also second figure is 7. Okay, so then what figures are same, this is some 5, what will be the number? So this 77 is satisfying all the conditions which are given in the questions and demanding for the answer. The answer will be 77. Okay, so we have to write the answer of this question. 77 is answer. Okay. Next, we have to move on the next question. Here is digit sum 5. Okay, digit sum here is 5 and number is between 20 and 30. Digit sum कितना दिख रखा है? 5 दिख रखा है. Okay, and number is between 20 and 30. So we have to move on the branch. Okay, here is this sum which branch has digit sum 5. So here is this branch has digit sum 5, and we have to we notice here. And the second condition is number will be between 20 and 30. Okay, number will be between 20 and 30. So then, and the digit sum will be 5, and number between 20 and 30. Okay, what will be the answer? So here is here is only when we pass on the branch, this on the branch of 5, this sum 5, there is only number is 23, which is between, which lies between 20 and 30, only 23. Okay, so what will be the answer of this question? 23. Okay, so 23 is answer of this question. Yes, so this is two figure number which is required here to satisfy all these conditions which are given in the question. Yes, then we have to move the uh, we have to move the next we have to move the next question. Here is digit sum is 8. Here is digit sum it will be 8, or answer end with ends in 5. So these condition is fixed, and we have to choose that number which satisfy these what conditions. These what conditions. So then what we will do? So we will do. So here is number in the end. So here is two figure number. Two figure number. Okay. Yes, two figure number. Minus last figure and first figure. So here in the last figure, 5 is fixed. So we have to put 5. Okay, we have to put here 5. So we have to choose what will come on the first place to make digit sum 8. So what we will add in this 5 to make digit sum 8. In the 5 we will add 3. So this answer will be 3 here. Okay, 3. So then number will be 35. Number will be 35, two figure number of this question. Okay, 35 is answer which satisfy these conditions. So be then, I think you have understand the decision puzzle. In the previous lecture we have also studied about decision puzzles, and in this we are solving many problems of decision puzzles. Again, we have to solve. We are moving on the next example. Yes, we are moving on the next examples. So here is digit sum is 7. Okay, digit sum is 7 and first figure is 2. Find the two figure number. So then what will we do? Here is two figure number. We are drawing. Yes, so here is for understanding the topic. Here is two figure number. First figure, last figure. Okay, first figure. Yes. So here is given first figure is 2. The first figure is fixed which is 2. Yes, which is 2. Here first figure is fixed which is 2, and so here you have to notice a digit sum is given here 7. So 2 is fixed. What will number come at this place to bring digit sum 7? Okay, what we will add in this 2? What we will add in this 2? So we will add to make this sum 7. So we will add what we will. It is obvious. We have to add 5 to make digit sum 7. Okay, 2 plus 5 will be 7. So here we have to put 5. Yes, yes. The answer will be 25. Yes, so here is answer will be 25. I think you have understand how to solve digit sum puzzle. And now we are moving on the next example to understand this topic. Yes, here is example. Here is digit sum is 7. So digit sum is 2. Here is given digit sum is 2 and figures differ by 7. Figures differ by 7 and we have to find two figure number. Figures differ by, the difference between figures is 7 and this sum is 2. What will be the answer? So then we have to choose which number come here, which has different, the figures of that number, this of that number have difference of 7 and this sum is 2. Yes. So then what will be the answer? So here is this sum. Here is digit sum. So we have to move on the 9-point circle. So we have to choose that branch. We have to choose that branch that has digit sum 2. So this is branch which has digit sum 2. So we have to find, choose one number. We have to pick up one number which is the correct answer of that question. So here is all the numbers satisfy one condition. Here all the numbers in this branch, which lies in this branch, are satisfying first condition of the number of the question. All these numbers have digit sum 2. Yes. And the second condition is difference between figures. Second condition is difference between figure will be 7. Here is only one figure, here is only two figure, here are two figure, but difference between not 7. Difference between here is two figure, but difference between the figure of that this number is not 7. It is 2. Okay, and difference between this figure, if we minus from bigger figure, big figure, if we minus big figure, okay, by small figure, okay, if we minus 9, if we minus 2 from 9, okay, so we get 9 minus 2, 7. So this is second condition is satisfied here. First condition is already satisfied on this branch. Second condition is also satisfied here. So the correct answer will be 29 because this has digit sums 2 and difference between the figure of this numbers. The number here is figures 2 and 9 and this 2 and 9 has difference of 7 because if we minus if we subtract 2 from this 9 we get 7. So this is correct answer. So we have to write 29 is correct answer. Okay, now here is, now we are moving on the next example to understand this method. Yes, and you will understand very well this topic. This is some puzzle, and you have understand in the previous lecture about digit sum. We have discussed what is digit sum and how to find digit sum. But after that, we discuss casting out 9, then casting out that number which is add which is add up to which is added and it gives 9. Those figures can be casting out. Yes. After that, we come here digit sum puzzle. So this is concept of digit sum, which will help you a lot in understanding mathematics in the uh, other topic of the mathematics and any branch of the mathematics. So here now we have to move on the example. Now we have to move on the another example. And example is, here is digit sum is 1. Digit sum is 1 and answer is in the uh, seventh table. Okay, the table of 7. Seventh table. Okay, the answer will be present. Here digit sum is 1. Which number is lies in the uh, table of 7? So we have to choose digit sum is 1. Digit sum is 1. So here is branch which has digit sum 1, and we have to, here first condition is digit sum will be 1. So here is all the numbers which are lying on this branch have digit sum 1, and first condition is satisfied by these numbers, these all the numbers. Okay, numbers will be infinite on this branch, but for convenience I am writing, I am writing only only few numbers. So we have to choose one has digit sum 1, but second condition is it come in the seventh table, table of 7? 10 will come, 9 will come, no, 28, 28 will come in the in the table of 7. Okay, 28, you know, if 7 7 4 are, okay, 7 4 are 28, which lies in the seventh table. Okay, the answer of this question, this is this is number which satisfies both conditions. This sum 28 had digit sum 1. Okay, and also this number has this number lies in the uh, 7 table. Okay, okay, table of 7. So we have to write the answer of this question. Yes. Okay, we have to move on the next question. Digit sum. Here is digit sum is 3. What figures are odd? So here is digit sum is 3, and what figures are odd? Odd. What figures are odd? Here is odd. Odd means odd numbers. Odd numbers, you know, 1. Okay, 3. But those numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, 1 is not divisible by 2. Okay, 2 3 is not divisible by 2. Yes, 5 is not divisible by 2. Yes, and also I say 1 3 5 7, okay, 9 11, and so on. These numbers are all numbers because these numbers is are not divisible by 2. This is all. Okay, so then, so we have to move on the uh, this table. Okay, here is digit sum is 3. So we have to choose branch of this branch which has digit sum 3. This is this is branch which has digit sum 3. Yes. So we have to choose. Here is 3 Bob number. Here is only one number. Here is second number is 120 12. In the first number is odd, but second is even. So on both number will be odd. Here is 2. 2 is even. So here is 2 even number is coming here. Okay. Mm, Here is 31. 3 is odd, also 1 is odd. So one answer is 31. Okay. Here is 4. One answer is 31. And here is 4. 4 is even though. We will not choose this number. Okay. Here is 0. 0 is okay. Here is 0. The due to which it is not. After that, the number will come 39. The 3 is, here is 3 and 9. Okay. 3 is odd, 9 also odd. Or 39. So it will be many answers of this question. Okay. So here is, we will write here 30, 31 and 39. Okay. 31 and 39 as answer. 31 and 39, and all you have, this is your homework, you have to find numbers. So now our concept has cleared, have cleared. Okay, so then I have some questions for you. You have to solve this question. This is must. You have to take a screenshot and you have to pause video. You can pause video and solve this question. First question, yes, digit sum is 3. The first figure is 3 times the second. Okay, find two figure number. Second question. Okay, third question, fourth question, fifth question. You have to take a screenshot. Okay, यहाँ तक here is from here. And I am moving next. I am showing you next. And this is the last question. This is these two are last questions. You have to take a screenshot and solve the question and write the answer in the comment box.